Exercise 1.2, first problem, solution number 1. Discuss the following relation. First relation is reflexive, second relation is symmetry, and third relation is transitivity. So given problem satisfies reflexive or satisfies symmetry or satisfies transitivity, we have to check it. So given problem is the relation R defined on the set of all positive integer by m related to n if m divides n. Which one is relation? This one is condition. This one is relation. So what is given data? You see the problem. What is given data? The solution is given positive integers. So positive integers nothing but z plus, denoted by z plus. Let us take only for positive number. Already we have the integers. Integers is nothing but z equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, etc. plus or minus infinity. It is called integers. Positive integers meaning that only take positive value. So denoted by z plus positives. This one is given data. Again, m related to n. So m related to n, second given data. Relation is nothing but any two number. Take any two number in z plus, not z plus. Satisfies the condition. This two number satisfies this condition. M divides n. Satisfies this condition. Those are basic given data. If first one is to check this relation satisfies a reflexive relation and symmetric relation and transitivity relation. So first one is have to check it reflexive. So what is reflexive? The basic definition for reflexive: any one number a comma a belongs to R. A comma a belongs to R. For R, a belongs to z plus. A belongs to z plus. What is z plus? Z plus is the given positive integer number. Take any one number a comma a belongs to R. This number, this a satisfies this condition or not? We have to check it. First one is relation. The relation is m related to m related to m or n related to n. Take any number. Condition. What is condition? Condition that m divides m divides n. Is satisfies or not? Yes, it is satisfied for reflexive condition. For example, 0. Take 0 divides 0. Satisfies. Any number divide itself. So 1 divide 1, 2 divide 2, 3 divide 3, 4 divide 4. So all numbers for all z plus satisfies this condition. Hence the given relation is reflexive relation. It is clear that for all z plus, for all elements of z plus satisfies this condition. M divides n, 2 divides 2, 3 divides 3, 5 divides 5. So satisfies this condition. So hence the given relation is reflexive relation. So first one is it is reflexive. Second one, to check it is symmetric or not. Second one is it is symmetric. To check it. So basic definition for symmetry: a comma b belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. Any two number taking the relation A comma B belongs to R, which implies B comma A belongs to R. It is basic definition for symmetry. So what is relation? Relation is M comma N. M related to N and N related to M. It is the relation M related to N and N related to M. So first one is condition. Condition is M divides N. M divides N. M divides N. Okay, it is satisfied. But N, second condition is N does not divide. N does not divide M. Check the relation for this condition. Take any two number. For example, M is 2. 2 divides 4. 2 divides 4. So 4 by 2 satisfied. But 4 divides 2. 4 divides 2. 2 by 4 does not satisfied. Is clear that 2 divides 4 is satisfied. So M divides N is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. But N does not divide M. So 4 does not divide 2. So this condition is not satisfied. Hence the given relation. M related to N and N related to N. Hence the given relation is not symmetry. Given relation is not symmetry. It is not symmetry. Second relation is not symmetry. Third one is transitivity. Third relation is transitivity. Take transitivity is meaning that take any three number A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, which implies A comma C belongs to R. It is basic definition for transitivity. Take any three number for Z plus. So what is the relation? The relation is M related to N. M related to N, comma N related to L. N related to L, which implies and M related to L. It is called relation. So A comma B meaning that M related to N, B comma C meaning that N related to L and A related to C is M related to M. Is clear that? So what is condition? The condition satisfies this three relation or satisfies this condition. It has transitivity or not transitivity. So condition. First condition is M related to N. M divides N. Okay, it is satisfied. Second condition is N divides L. It is also satisfied. Third condition is M divides L. So both three conditions are satisfied. Hence it is transitivity. For example, for a given example, 2 divides 4. 2 divides 4. It is clear that 2 divides 4. 4 divides 8. It is clear that 4 divides 8. Also 2 divides 8. 2 divides 4. A comma B. A comma B. B comma C. And also A comma C. It is clear that 2 divides 4. 4 divides 8. Also 2 divides 8. So M divides N. N divides L. Also M divides L. So three relations are satisfied. Three m relation to n satisfied. This one is satisfied, and also this one is satisfied. So hence it is transitivity. Hence it is transitivity. So given problem, the given problem is, what is given problem? The positive integers is reflexive relation, not symmetric relation, and transitivity relation. We discussed the following relations, meaning that this one is, first one is symmetric. The given problem is symmetric satisfied, but reflexive satisfied, but symmetric is not satisfied, and transitivity also satisfied. We see the solutions.